Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Anggun Septiarini with NPM 244120231 from the Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discuss the basic of taxation. First slide, tax are a mandatory contribution that every citizen must pay to the government as stimulated by law. Tax payments are mandatory and do not provide any direct compensation to the taxpayer. This means that when someone pays tax, they do not receive any direct personal benefits. Rather, and process are used for the public interest. Tax play a crucial role for the states as they are primary source of state revenue. Funds raised from tax are used to finance various government activities, such as infrastructure development, education, and health services, civil servant salaries, subsidies, and public welfare programs. Without taxes, government and development activities would not function optimally. Next slide, tax function. Number 1, budgetary functions. Tax are the main source of funding from the states. Tax revenue is used to finance routine and development expenditures, such as building roads, bridges, hospitals, and schools, as well as paying civil servant salaries. Number 2, regulatory functions. Tax are used as a tool to regulate the economy and public behavior. For example, the government and impose high tax on cigarettes or alcohol to reduce consumption, or provide tax incentives to export-oriented companies. Number 3, stability function. Draft tax policy, the government can maintain economic stability. For example, when inflation is high, the government can raise tax to reduce people purchasing power, while during a recession, tax can be lowered to increase consumption. Number 4, income redistribution functions. Tax are used to equalize welfare. Tax from the high-income individuals are used to fund social programs for the less fortunate, thereby reducing social inequality. Next slide, legal basis for taxation. All tax activity in Indonesia are regulated by law to provide legal certainty the funding for taxation. Article 23A of the 1945 Constitution stipulates that tax and other compulsory levies must be regulated by law. The General Provision and Tax Products Law, or KUP, regulates administrative procedures such as tax registrations, payment, and reporting. Next, the Income Tax Law regulates tax on income received by individuals or entities. Next, the Value Added Tax of VAT and Sales Tax on Luxury Goods, or PPNBM. Laws regulate tax on domestic consumption of goods and services. With a strong legal basis, tax implementation becomes more transparent and accountable. Next slide. Types of tax in Indonesia. Based on a collecting institution, central tax managed by the Directorate General of Tax, or DGT, such as income tax, value added tax, and stamp duty. Next, regional tax managed by local governments, such as motor vehicle tax, hotel tax, and advertising tax. Based on nature, the direct tax borne solely by the taxpayer and cannot be transferred, such as income tax or PPH. Next, indirect tax can be transferred to another parties, such as value-added tax or VAT paid by the final consumer. Next, based on subject and object. The first is tax. This distinguished based on who pays or subjects and what is tax object. For example, the subject is individual while the object is income received. Next slide. Tax subject and object. Tax subjects are subject to tax, including individual, business entities, and permanent establishment. Examples include employees, entrepreneurs, companies, and not profit organizations that earn income. Next, tax objects are anything subject to tax. Example include income, sales transaction, land and building ownership, and consumption of goods and services. By understanding tax subjects and objects, we can understand who is required to pay tax and the basis for the obligations. Next slide. Tax collection system. Number 1. Self-assessment system. Taxpayer can calculate, pay, and report their own tax. The government only monitor and verifies the report. The system requires honestly and a high level of awareness from taxpayer. Number 2. Official assessment system. The government plays an activity roles in calculation and determining the amount of tax payable by taxpayer. This system is rarely used today. Number 3. Withholding system. A third party is responsible for holding and remitting tax on behalf of the taxpayer. For example, a company withholding income tax, Article 21, from employees. Next slide. Tax procedure. The tax process begins with registering for a taxpayer identification number on NPWP as the official tax identification number for an individual or entity. Afterward, taxpayer must calculate the amount of tax owed based on their income. Once calculated, the tax is deposited into the statutory to a collection bank or a billing. The final stage is reporting to a round return or SPT, either annually or periodically, which it submit only via e-filing on the DGT website. Timely tax reporting demonstrates citizen completion and responsibility. Next slide. Taxpayer right and obligation. Every taxpayer has rights that must be respected and obligations that must be fulfilled. The government grants taxpayer the right to information, clarity, and good services. However, taxpayer must obey the law, calculate the tax correctly, and report them honestly. This balance between right and obligation is crucial from creating a healthy tax system. Next slide. Tax sanctions. Number 1. Administrative sanction. Imposed if taxpayers are late in paying, reporting, or making error in the tax calculation. This can take the form of fines, interest, or increase in certain tax credits. Number 2. Criminal sanction. Imposed for serious violations such as tax evasions, document falsifications, or failing to report tax owed. Perpetrators can face imprisonment and citation fines. Death sanctions are intended not to deter, but the efforts, disciplines, and fairness so that all citizens comply with their tax. Next slide. Conclusion. Tax are primary foundation for the nation's sustainability. By paying tax, we direct participate in national development, from education and health to infrastructure, accomplished with tax payments demonstrate nationalism and social responsibility. A tax conversion society contributes to creating a better future from Indonesia. That concludes the material on the basic of taxation in Indonesia. Tax are not only an obligation but also a form of our contribution to national development. By understanding tax, we can become more responsible citizens and be aware of their important role. Then you, for attention, we hope this helpful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.